Hello everyone and welcome to Harvest Montero. Today we will unbox and flip through Beyond Lemuria Oracle cards. The set is created by Izzy. It is 6.75 by 5 inches or 17 by 12.5 centimeters. It is published by Blue Angel. The set contains 56 full color cards and comprehensive 148-page guidebook. New Earth codes and wisdoms for our ancient future. Transform shadow into light, bridge duality, and inspire heaven and earth through the practical and enlightening insight from Lemuria. Recall the past and glimpse the future. Expand your conscious awareness and behold the wonders of the greater world. This uniquely stunning deck from artist and author Izzy is infused with loving guidance, greater knowledge, and encoded symbols to enliven the truth in you with the majesty of the universe. Fusing childlike innocence with all-knowing depth and strength in her characters, Izzy combines art with the spirit that dances her. Every image is seeded with subtle symbolism for the collective dreaming and keys to a deeper recall. Meet the Lemurians, connect with their energy, and work with the microcosm to reclaim wholeness and step into your light. It's time for the remembering. It's time to go beyond Lemuria. The set usually comes shrink-wrapped. The box is hard cardboard. The book. Contents, card meanings, chakra cards, elemental cards. Seed cards. Card meanings, chakra cards. The information includes black and white copy of the card, number and name of the card, keywords, information, restore, themes, healing position, and color wash. Elemental cards. Seed cards. About the artist. The cards. The cards are 5.5 by 3.75 inches or 14 by 9.5 centimeters. The cards are not reflective. Arista Chakra, Initiation. Root Chakra, Ground and Center. Sacral Chakra, Core of Creation. Solar plexus chakra, radiant illumination. Heart chakra, unfurling back to love. High heart chakra, ecstatic bliss. Throat chakra, express your truth. Third eye chakra, pineal perspective. Crown chakra, the unlimited self. Soul star chakra, merging with the divine. Ether, the seamless unspeakable. Water, the overflow. Air, paradigm shift. Earth, nurture nature. Fire, solarus sublime. Loving compassion. Awakened awareness. Alignment. Balanced forces. Beyond the mind. Communication co-creation. Crystal keys. Endless opportunities. Evolution. Freedom. Full spectrum. Furred and feathered friends. Gracious receptivity. Harmonic flight. Healing. Home. Internal explorer. Journey to wholeness. Life force energy. Luminescence. Manifestia. Mount Shasta. New blueprints. Our ancient future. Radical expansion. Realm bridger. Reclaim your energy. Shades of the lotus. Shine your light. Starseed elemental. Starseer. Stepping through. Surrender. The Infinite. The Portal Keeper. The Sound of the Universe. The Violet Flame. Transformation. Trust your innocence. Unique gifts. And vulnerability. This is the end of the deck. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.